Hey everyone, it's Mike with Monkey Fab, and today I got a re-release of an old product with a new twist. Because the old product, the old Teflon GLS Fab cups are gone. They're gone forever. Landon has started making them in ceramic, and I just got my grubby hands on them, and I want to share them with you. The TIG filler kit, the starter kit, originally the kind of like the genesis of that was I was doing a series on how to TIG weld, you know, my own little Monkey Fab version of that. You can go check that out if you haven't already. It's all in one playlist, and it's like A to B, like how to select a machine to how to, you know, do TIG welding. And that was my take on it. One of the videos I did was the stuff you need to buy, because that's a confusing part of TIG welding when you're getting into it. It's there's almost like their own language being spoken that you need to learn to understand what everything is. Long story short, I just figured I'd make a video that would tell you what to get, what you needed, because I bought a lot of useless stuff when I first got into TIG welding that's still sitting around unused, and just thought that I would help people not have to suffer that. So when I was doing that, I kind of thought to myself, like, hey, someone should get together a kit and just package it. That way we can get it right to the consumer. You guys have it. You have everything you need minus gloves, hood, and a TIG machine, argon, to start TIG welding. So that's what I did. I reached out to Blue Demon, and I've always enjoyed their filler metals, and they're great with working with like YouTubers and social media guys and stuff. So reached out to them, said, hey, I want to carry your product, and we made that happen. And I was already stocking Landon's GLS Fab cups, which I'm a big fan of. So we just made that happen, and I packaged everything in a kit for you. So if you're here from the page, or watching this video because you went to that page, then you can just check the drop-down menu, and it'll show the different little versions of this kit. I tried to break it up into ways that you can find what you need at your price point. So there are 4 basic kits. The first kit is a small, what I call small starter kit, and that's all. It's called small because you get all the small wires that I have. 045 in ER70S2 for mild steel, 045 in 308L for welding stainless, and a tube. These are all 1-pound tubes of ER5356 in 1/16. And those are primarily my go-to guys. And we also get with those 2 each, 3/32 tungsten, 2 blue, which are the 2% lanthanated tungstens, which work really great for aluminum, also work great for steel, and 2 of the 2% red thoriated, which I use for steel. The next one is the large filler kit, so you just basically get the large versions of that. With the large, you add in ER309, so you get 1/16 ER70S2, you get ER308L in 1/16, you get 309L in 1/16, which is good for welding. You use this for welding mild to stainless, or stainless to mild. And you get 3/32 of 5356. Also get the tungstens with that. The next step up is the Deluxe Kit, and the Deluxe Kit, you get all of it. You get 7 pounds of filler wire, which is pretty good, and you get the tungstens. So that's the Deluxe Kit, and then you can choose from the GLS. It's called the Ultimate TIG Starter Kit. And you get to pick one of the GLS cups, and you get all of this, all the filler wires, the 7 pounds of different filler wires. You get the tungstens, and you get a stubby gas lens, because I realize most of you guys are probably starting. You have an air-cooled number 17 torch, because that's generally what comes with all the entry-level kits. So you get a real Miller gas lens, stubby gas lens kit that adapts the GLS Fab cups to the large torch, and you get you get one of your choice. You can pick the GLS Fab number 12, which gives you 2 complete number 12 cups with screens and a spare screen. The number 16, which again is you get 1 complete cup and screen with a spare screen, or the 20, same thing, 1 complete cup with a spare screen. Don't know why you want a 20. You wouldn't want to start with a 20. If a lot of people reach out and they say, like, Mike, what do you recommend on these sizes? And I generally tell people to start with a 12. The 12 is a pretty versatile cup. It's not so big that it's awkward to use or hard to get into places, and it still has really good stick. You can get really good stick out and really good gas coverage with the number 12. I use the number 16 for like cozy bench welding where everything's easy to get to because it gets great coverage. I use a number 20 when I have to have like silver welds or I'm welding titanium. That's when we use the number 20. I'll give you guys a look at these so you can check them out. Here is the number 12. It's ceramic and it's threaded to fit a small gas lens or a stubby gas lens. This is, do them in order. This is the number 16. My focus is on potato mode, I apologize. And the number 20, which is a big cup. So there's the new cups. Excited to offer those guys. And a good TIG starter kit to get you going. I don't think I'm missing anything. If you guys have questions, you can shoot me a text. Usually is the best way to get in touch with me. Numbers on the website, or if you just drop your questions, I guess, below in the YouTube video, I'll try to get to them. And that will give you everything you need to weld mild steel, stainless steel, mild and stainless steel, and aluminum. I have videos on filler wires, so if you want to get in depth on what's best for what, then you can go there and check that out. But yeah, so that's the TIG starter kits. I'm happy to have those available again. Ran out of the old Teflon cups and was waiting for these guys to show up, and they finally came in, so super excited about that. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. Check out the video.